Alexis Almeida.
Good morning, Your
Alexis. What are you so happy about?
Why not be happy?
You're a happy person.
I am.
Okay, you're from Fall River.
I am.
Okay, you work in Providence or you go to school? What do you do?
I go to school in Dartmouth. I go to UMass Dartmouth. I just finished my bachelor's degree in 3 years, and I'm now studying business administration and organizational leadership for my master's.
Yeah, and where are you studying that?
At UMass Dartmouth again.
Oh, okay. And what brings you to Providence?
I was having a night out with my boyfriend, and so I'm not too familiar with the area because I am in Massachusetts all the time.
The case starts with a very cheerful defendant, Alexis Almeida, who the judge immediately asks, "What are you so happy about?" She is clearly a driven and successful young woman, having earned her bachelor's in 3 years and now pursuing a master's at UMass Dartmouth. Her reason for being in Providence? A night out with my boyfriend. She claims she is not too familiar with the area and has an otherwise perfect driving record.
And I have a perfect driving record for as far as I know, except for this. So.
I see. So you had a night out with your boyfriend and you were driving the car?
I was driving.
Oh, I see. I mean, are you the designated driver or it's just that you drive the car?
I drive the car. It was my car.
Oh, okay.
He doesn't have a car at school. His brother does, and so they share it back and forth, but I typically do the driving because I commute to school.
Okay. Now, I'm just curious. You can say, Judge, I don't want to discuss that, but let me just ask you a question. When you are with your boyfriend and you are going to the vehicle, does he open the door for you?
Every time?
He does.
Yes. And
if you're sitting in the car first and his door is locked, right, do you reach over and open the door, the little button? Do you do that?
Yeah.
The judge hones in on the dynamic. Alexis was driving her car because her boyfriend, Kyle, doesn't have one. This immediately sets up a fun discussion about who takes the lead. The judge then takes a hilarious detour, asking the timeless question, does Kyle open the car door for her? Alexis confirms, every time. This quickly turns the courtroom into a dating advice forum.
Yes.
You do? Did you ever see the movie Bronx Tale?
I have not.
Oh, there's a movie called The Bronx Tale, right? And this older gentleman gives a young man advice. And he says, listen, he says, when you pick up your girlfriend, it's in the movie, right? You're going to have her sit in the passenger seat, and then you're going to go around to the other side, and the door's going to be locked. And if she leans over and unlocks the door, then she's the girl for you. You remember that scene, Inspector Quinn?
Yeah.
And sure enough,
Unfortunately, in real life, Judge, they hit the lock button on you.
yeah, I know. And sure enough, she did that. So, but they have the automatic locks now. So if the door is locked, then you have to unlock it, and then he'll say, this is the girl for me, right?
I'll have to do that to him next time.
Okay, you may already have him hooked though, right? You got him hooked already?
We'll see.
The judge shares the famous dating test from the movie A Bronx Tale. If a girl is in the car and leans over to unlock the driver's side door, then she's the girl for you. Alexis, without hesitation, confirms she does exactly that. Inspector Quinn chimes in, joking about automatic locks, but the consensus is clear. Alexis passes the test. The judge jokes, you may already have him hooked. This wonderful moment of storytelling proves that the human drama is often more interesting than the ticket itself.
I would have said for sure, if he was standing here paying the ticket, Judge, I would have said she definitely has him hooked, but.
All right, let's take a look at this, Lisa. Well, you went right through the light.
I'm not too familiar with the area.
No. That doesn't work. That doesn't work. Listen, you're driving the vehicle, the light is red. Whether you're here, you're in Hong Kong or Cheyenne, Wyoming, it doesn't make any difference where you are, whether you know the area or not. It's a red light. It's red. Means you stop, right?
Correct.
The court finally looks at the evidence, and the video is clear. Alexis ran the red light. She offers her previous excuse, "I'm not too familiar with the area," but the judge shuts that down immediately. He reminds her that a red light is a red light, whether you're in Providence, Hong Kong, or Cheyenne, Wyoming. This is the moment of truth. She's guilty, and she knows it.
But you must have been engaged in like a conversation. I think you only had eyes. What's his name?
His name is Kyle.
Kyle. What do you think, Inspector Quinn?
You know what, I know that's up around the PC area, and they were probably banging back and forth or whatever.
Are we talking?
Yes.
What's your recommendation on the disposition of this case?
Your Honor, would it be new to the area, $35 court cost, Your Honor, would be the warning on the dismissal. And I was seeing your emotion there, you were gonna write that anyway.
The judge has a theory for the infraction. She must have been engaged in like a conversation. He thinks she only had eyes for Kyle. Inspector Quinn, knowing the area near Providence College, agrees they were probably banging it back and forth, talking, and suggests a lenient ruling, $35 court costs as a warning and a dismissal of the ticket. This shows the court's compassion, balancing her technical guilt with her impressive credentials and honest demeanor.
Inspector Quinn thinks that the ends of justice may be met by charging you a court cost of $35. Now, the magic question is Kyle going to help you with this?
Probably not. I'm the one that works all the time, so.
Kyle don't work.
He does, but he is still in his undergraduate.
He's a student. All right.
Yes, I'm in my master's, so I go to class at night, so I have the availability to work during the day.
Good luck to you.
Thank
Judge.
you.
The magic question. Will Kyle help pay the $35? Alexis's answer is a very blunt. Probably not. She points out, "I'm the one that works all the time." She explains that she's in her master's and works during the day, while Kyle is still in his undergraduate program. This flips the script. It's Alexis who is the primary worker, student, and driver.
So,
She works,
Yeah.
she drives.
Yeah.
Boy, Kyle's got the keeper.
Who cooks? Who cooks?
who cooks?
Yeah.
Me.
Who cleans?
Me.
Kyle, you're a
Inspector Quinn drives a point home. She works, she drives. Boy, Kyle's got a keeper. The judge then asks the ultimate questions. Who cooks? Alexis. Me. Who cleans? Alexis. Me. The courtroom erupts in laughter. The judge delivers the final verdict on their relationship. Kyle, you're a lucky guy. The case is dismissed, but the relationship advice is priceless. Professional overview and conclusion. The case involved Alexis Almeida, a successful and honest master's student, charged with running a red light. While video evidence confirmed the violation, the context was a night out, and the judge suspected distraction due to her boyfriend, Kyle. The final ruling was a dismissal of the violation, conditioned upon payment of $35 in court costs based on the recommendation of Inspector Quinn, who acknowledged the defendant's generally excellent record and honesty. The broader implication of this case is the balance of law and life. The court showed compassion to a high-achieving student while humorously using the domestic dynamic to deliver a memorable viral moment.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Good luck.
All rise and hit subscribe so you don't miss the latest viral moments like this one. If you think Kyle is the luckiest guy on the planet, share this video. Weigh in on the cases and tell us what you would have ruled. You be the judge. Subscribe now.